Okay, today we'll be looking at a couple oil filters, the Napa Platinum number 4100255 and the Purolator Boss oil filter number PBL22500. And you can get the Napa Platinum oil filter for $12.49 at Napa Auto Parts, and you can get the Purolator Boss oil filter for $15.79 at Advanced Auto Parts. But I got these filters for free. Yep, a viewer bought and shipped these filters to me. So I want to give a big thank you and shout out to John Purolator from Yonkers, New York for sending me these oil filters. Thanks, John. And these filters fit his 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. And these guys are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
This is some for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's start with the Napa Platinum. Open her up. And the date code 032819E1. Made in USA. This is a sticker. Made in Hummel. She has 8 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone anti-drain back valve. Metal core with holes. Bypass valve down below. And it's got a nice amount of threads. Maybe about 4 there. And nitro rubber gasket, which is on here pretty good. It's also pretty thick. Okay, let's look at the Purolator. Let's look at the box. You got 99% plus efficiency, smart fusion, and actually if you go look on their website, that's at 25 microns. Smart fusion, 100% synthetic media. And let's open her up and see what she looks like. Date code F08N09F. That looks like a 1. Sticker. Man in Hummel. Made in USA. She also has 8 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone anti-drain back valve. Metal core with louvers. And a bypass valve down below. Also about 4 threads there. Good amount of threads. And this filter, the Purolator Boss, has an acrylic, actually an ethylene acrylic gasket, which is on here pretty good. Yeah, this one's on here better than the Napa. There it comes. Thick also. Yeah, it's a nice gasket. I've taken these kind of apart after they've been used, and they're still very pliable after they're in on your engine. A little bit of a size difference, but they both fit the same vehicles. Well, I say we cut these guys open, see what's inside. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. Purolator weighs 337 grams. The Napa Platinum weighs 308 grams. Check the base plates. Purolator weighs 182 grams. Napa Platinum weighs 111 grams. Let's take a look at it up close. We'll see they got about the same amount of threads. The holes look pretty much the same also. The gaskets, they stick out about the same. The difference in them is you can see the Purolator is thicker. See the holes there, the inlet holes, compared to the Napa Platinum. This base plate, you know, that's why it's heavier, it's thicker. A little more heavy duty. But they both look good. And any drain back valves, both silicone. Let's see how they fit the Napa. Fits nicely over the holes. And Purolator, also nicely over the holes. Yeah, they both look good. Okay, the filter elements. Purolator weighs 86 grams. And the Napa's got this thing on it. I'll take this off. Some kind of little extender. 111 grams. Let's look at the Napa Platinum. So you got a metal crimp seam, metal end caps, bypass valve, and I counted 33 pleats. This is a full synthetic media with a nominal micron rating of 21. They're nicely spaced. Feel pretty tough, but it looks like it's got to be backed by something. Either got to be some kind of screen, metal screen or plastic screens. Yeah, that all looks nice. I can't tell in there. Yeah, it looks like a metal screen to me. You can see it a little bit in those holes. Okay. And the Purolator Boss. Metal end caps. A little sloppy with the glue. Metal crimp seam. And I counted 49 pleats. So that's 16 more pleats than the Napa Platinum. And they're nicely spaced also. And this is a full synthetic media with a micron rating of 99% at 25 microns. Okay, let's look what they got inside. This Purolator has a stamp leaf spring, 7 grams. And Napa Platinum has the coil spring. It's a stiff one, which weighs 7 grams. The cans, Purolator weighs 58 grams. Napa Platinum weighs 67 grams. Let's get some measurements on these cans. 0.36 millimeters for the Purolator. Check that. 0.40 millimeters for the Napa Platinum. And it feels maybe a little bit thicker. The Purolator is 2.70 inches wide. And the Napa is 2.79 inches wide. A little wider. You can see it's a little taller. It's got a bigger rim though. Okay, I say we cut these guys open, stretch them out, and see which one's longer. I would think the Purolator because of more pleats, but you never know. I've said that before and they come out different. Okay, be right back. Okay, here they are stretched out. And the Purolator Boss is 39 inches long. And the Napa Platinum is 35 inches long. Okay, and here they are at the seams. And I got some little samples here to measure. Here's the Napa Platinum. 1.07 millimeters thick. Pretty thick. And Purolator is 1.38 millimeters thick. But this isn't a fair thickness, 1.33. Because I got the backing on here. I can't really get the backing out without taking half the filter with it. You know, a lot of the media is going out with it, so. But you can see the plastic backing on here. So that's going to make it a little thicker. Yeah, so it's kind of not really a fair test, but you know, the Napa has this backing right here, metal screen backing. So, but both filter medias. Well, let's see if this will tear. This is pretty strong stuff. Even without the backing, it's pretty strong. And the Purolator, that this also won't tear, not with this backing on it. Both got good filter medias, and they're both almost the same as far as square inches go. So let's look at the rest of the filter. Okay, so we got louvers versus holes. These are different bypass valves, also a different design, and you can see the Purolator how wide it is. The inner core. That's why the pleats were smaller. There was more pleats, but smaller pleats. So they almost came out equal as far as square inches go. Base plates. Both got silicone and drain back valves. That's good. The inlet holes look pretty much the same size. But the Purolator is a lot heavier. So got a nicer base plate, I think. The cans are pretty much the same. You got the screen backing versus the plastic backing on the Purolator. And you got coil spring versus leaf spring. I don't know. I like both of these filters. I think they're both well-made filters. What do you guys think about these filters? Which filter would you guys use? Please post your comments down below. Again, I want to thank John for sending these filters to me. And I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. Open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The Napa filter media weighs 17 grams. With the metal backing, it weighs 44 grams. The Purolator Boss filter media weighs 21 grams.